Hi and hello, I am ATHEENAPANDIAN here. Welcome to the ATHEENAPANDIAN channel once again. In this video, I am going to give some of the information regarding our recent workshop. See, on behalf of ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited, we are going to conduct our second online 2 days workshop on Haemodialyser machine. Because everyone knows that nowadays the radiology, gynecology, along with that dialyzer is added. So for the job relating things, for the job point of view, this learning of dialyzer machine is most important for pursuing biomedical engineers, particularly for final years and those who want to change the domain from other department, that is for example from the ophthalmology department to the dialyzer or gynecology department to the dialyzer. For those people also, this dialyzer workshop is important. The reason behind this, the person is going to teach about and give a practical knowledge, share a practical knowledge about the hemodialyzer machines, are highly experienced to handling the dialyzer machine. So this particular thing is particularly for those who are having an interest towards on hemodialysis process. Okay, so this workshop is going to be happen on April 1st and 2nd. That is only on online, though that is very comfortable for you to get a knowledge about it. Okay, once you get a knowledge about, once you get the basic knowledge to advanced knowledge through the online, and then one day you can come and visit our campus to gain a knowledge about the practical knowledge about the dialyzer machine. Okay, first of all, you make a curiosity about what actually a dialyzer machine is. That is what we are making it online, and the price is also very cheap actually. So this particular cost is comfortable for most of the biomedical engineers, I hope so. Okay, already the registration is going on and most of them are registered, particularly the North Indians and the Malayalis, most of them are registered. I am waiting for some other participants also come and participate to gain a knowledge. Okay, so thank you very much, and the registration link and all the other details regarding the workshop is on the description. You can use it, or you can able to call this number to get the details. Thank you very much.